Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Kusama. Right now, we're trading at $35.11. 24-hour volume, we're up 2%, and market cap, we're up 3%. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, it looks pretty good. I'm not, again, extremely bullish for Kusama, but this is essentially the very first step in order to have this reversal pattern here. So long as the body itself engulfs the previous action body of this candlestick. So if we're able to push the price and end the price closer to the $35.33 range, then we do have more of a hint that we are going to do a slight reversal or a slight pullback action and hopefully again close above the $35.92. If we can accomplish that, then what we're going to see is the momentum of our MACD line is slowly going to diminish and we are going to flip from the red to the green. If we take a look so far of our signal line and our MACD line, it almost looks like they are going to touch again with that crossover is going to help us get closer to our 20 moving average, which essentially we need in order to change this bear trend into more of a bullish trend. So those are the necessary things again that we need to be able to have more of a positive aspect or a positive momentum that we will see that reversal occur for Kusama. But let's head over to our 4-hour time frame and we're going to take a sneak peek too in the 2-hour time frame to see if we can gather some hints where the price may go. So already you guys, we see this huge buying pressure of this candlestick at the very tippy top here, as high as the $36.41 here. So again, $36 so far for today, especially from this downtrend. We can see this beautiful W that formed at the very bottom here, which essentially is a double bottom chart pattern. If we can see coming down to an area of support, coming up to resistance, and we're just going to measure really quick here of that breakout level from our 50% fib chart. So that was roughly around 4% here from that neckline. And again, that's not really a completion of the chart pattern. We initially wanted 5% here. So where the price again is going to come, we have this huge selling cloud here. We're going to switch over to our 2-hour time frame. And we saw that huge selling pressure as it triggered on our RSI here. If you guys can see this, we saw that crossover at over 80%, which triggered that selling opportunity, which brought the price down. And take a look at what the MACD indicator did. It did show us weakness in momentum. So let's flip back because we know now we have huge selling pressure retracing down. Let's flip back to the 4-hour time frame. So if we're experiencing already high pressure in the 2-hour time frame, a huge trade sequence. We've already seen that crossover here on the 4-hour time frame. We know price is going to come back down and take a look at our MACD indicator. It is showing weakness at this trend. So what we can gather from these things that I showed you on the screen here is essentially if this trend is already over, it has already peaked at the 4% breakout level. We're most likely not going to be holding the neckline as an area of support. This is most likely going to be a false breakout and price is going to come back down. And if we can find an area where the price actually supported it, right here, you guys, we can see on the outskirts of our volume profile, this area is our supply and demand zone right here from this chunk here. So from $35.03 to $34.45. Price is going to already want to come back down to this area of supply, this area where a lot of action was basically taking place. Again, at the outskirts here, tested area of support. We were tested multiple times, was able to hold it until it finally broke through that. We're going to retest it again, depending on how strong the momentum is. If we do see the momentum open up at this area of support, we're going to bounce off really nicely. But this is going to be the determining factor for today if we're able to hold this area of support at the $34.46, roughly around that area. And if we're not going to hold, this trend is going to break and we may see Kusama drop down to $33.42. So let me know what you guys think down below. Definitely like the video to help my channel grow, especially if you're new to the channel, subscribe and drop down some suggestions down there. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.